Hello. In this video, we're going to walk through how you're able to generate a sandbox environment as well as API dev keys to test Bill's APIs. This process is really simple. We're going to walk through it all today. It only takes a few minutes, a few seconds actually. And within our API documentation, we'll provide this page, this form to sign up for a sandbox. You can enter your name, create a test company. You'll have the ability to select you just want accounts payables and receivables. You're with a small or medium-sized business. And the moment you hit get started, we will then email you a link to sign in to create a password for your sandbox environment. Within that link, and once you've created that password, you'll be able to sign in to Bill. Now, again, this is our sandbox environment. This is not production. So you could go into login.stage.us.bill.com, and again, we'll provide all of that for you, and sign in. And now you're in Bill's sandbox environment. When you drill down to your organization here, you'll be able to generate an API dev key as well as retrieve your API org ID, which are two of the four components you need to authenticate within our APIs. So as an admin, you'll go to settings here, and under sync and integrations, you'll select manage developer keys. From here, you'll be able to generate a developer key, and like I said, you'll be able to see that organization ID as well. You can rename or delete these dev keys at any point. Once you have these two components, you'll be able to, I'm going to use Postman here to test authenticating within Bill, and you'll be able to enter your dev key and your org ID as a variable as well as your API credentials and test this Postman request, this post, and if successful, you should receive a session ID. With this session ID and your dev key, those allow you to do everything else within the API. Hopefully this was helpful and walked you through that flow. Thank you.